Welcome back to the Backyard Bachelor. Today we are doing the whiskey sour with a cool take. Not many people would realize how incredible the spirit and distillery scene is here. For example, we are featuring one of my favorites, Filibuster's Boondogler whiskey. It was aged in 5 different barrels. It's smoky, it's complex, yet still light and perfect even over rocks. And second, reoccurring liqueur, Don Chicho Figli. Specifically, I'm using their Mandarinetto. Now, I use it for everything from margs to simple cocktails. So for this cocktail, we're going to combine 2 ounces of Filibuster, 1 ounce of the Mandarinetto, 3/4 of an ounce of blood orange simple syrup, and 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And we're going to combine all this into a cocktail shaker, and we're going to shake thoroughly and enjoy the slow motion as we pour it into a chilled glass. Excellent. I love that peach. Of course, we cannot forget to garnish. We're going to need an orange peel. And I'm going to peel the orange and going to trim the edges carefully so that it's all even. And once that is done, we're going to just gently roll it on its side until it looks like a curly fry. We want to hold it there. Wanted to make this short episode because we are preparation for the next week, which I'm super excited for. We have the ultimate boozy brunch. It's going to be a fun double feature. I can't wait to do it. See you next week. Yamas.